Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a matching 16:9 sequence and importing the audio and a timestamped lyric list. Once done, open the Captions panel and create a new Captions track as Open Captions for full styling control. Make sure your sequence frame rate matches the audio to avoid drift. Now, play the audio and set a marker at the first sung word. This gives you a precise anchor. From here, you'll add caption blocks tied to those markers so timing stays accurate. You'll now build caption blocks for each lyric phrase and align them to markers for frame-accurate timing. Start a caption, type the phrase, then set the in/out to match syllable attacks. Nudge by 1/3 or 1 frame if needed. Once phrases are timed, use essential graphics to style. Choose font size, tracking, shadow, and color so text is legible over the footage. Make sure lines stay short for readable karaoke pacing, and group similar phrases. Finish by adding a sync effect to highlight words as they're sung, animate a color wipe or scale key to each word's end time. Once satisfied, export as burned-in open captions for guaranteed playback, or export an SRT if the target player supports separate subtitles. Make sure to render a short test clip to confirm timing. If captions drift, relink the audio, convert the sequence to match original frame rate, and retime affected blocks. That usually fixes sync problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.